Are you tired of waking up with neck pain and restless nights? Finding the perfect pillow can transform your sleep quality overnight. Today, we're revealing the top 5 pillow sets that combine comfort, support, and incredible value to give you the best sleep of your life.
Number 5.
Imagine ending every day with a soothing neck massage while you sleep. This innovative 2-pack massage pillow set is designed specifically for couples who value both comfort and therapeutic relief. The soft, woven fabric feels luxurious against your skin, while the advanced ergonomic design cradles your neck in perfect alignment. What makes this pillow truly special is its adjustable core technology that adapts to your unique sleeping position. The removable and washable pillowcase ensures hygiene and freshness. The massage feature works through strategically placed contours that gently stimulate pressure points throughout the night, promoting better blood circulation and muscle relaxation. Users consistently report reduced morning stiffness and improved sleep quality within the first week. At this incredible price point, you're getting 2 premium pillows that deliver professional-grade comfort. Check the description and comments for the product link.
Number 4.
For those seeking medical-grade neck support without the medical-grade price tag, this orthopedic contour pillow set delivers exceptional results. The 2-piece set features adjustable technology that lets you customize the height and firmness to match your preferences. The ergonomic contour design is scientifically engineered to maintain proper spinal alignment throughout the night, reducing pressure on your cervical vertebrae. The high-quality pillow core uses premium materials that resist flattening, ensuring consistent support night after night. The breathable modern fabric actively wicks away moisture and heat, keeping you cool during warm nights. The zippered removable cover makes cleaning effortless. Thousands of satisfied customers have reported significant improvements in chronic neck and shoulder pain. This pillow set offers professional-level support at an affordable price. Check the description and comments for the product link.
Number 3.
Transform your bedroom into a 5-star hotel suite with this ultra-supportive 2-pack pillow collection designed for deep, restorative sleep. These premium pillows feature advanced core technology that provides exceptional support without the stiffness of traditional orthopedic pillows. The hypoallergenic construction makes them perfect for allergy sufferers, creating a clean and healthy sleep environment, free from dust mites and common allergens. The plush cover feels incredibly soft and inviting, while the supportive core maintains its shape and provides consistent neck alignment throughout the night. The cooling technology integrated into the fabric helps regulate your body temperature, preventing sleep disruption during warmer months. Whether you sleep on your side, back, or stomach, these pillows adapt to your position while maintaining optimal support. They make an ideal gift for anyone who deserves better rest. Check the description and comments for the product link. And
Number 2.
This incredibly versatile 2-pack pillow set is engineered to provide perfect support regardless of how you sleep. Side sleepers appreciate the substantial loft that keeps the spine aligned. Back sleepers love the medium firmness that cradles the neck. And stomach sleepers find the compressibility that prevents neck strain. The decorative design means these pillows look as good as they feel, blending seamlessly with any bedroom decor. The supportive core maintains its shape through years of use, resisting the common flattening that ruins cheaper pillows. What truly sets this apart is the machine washable feature. Simply toss the entire pillow in your washing machine for convenient cleaning. The soft fabric creates an inviting sleep surface you'll look forward to every night. These pillows work perfectly for beds, sofas, dorm rooms, or living rooms. At this price for 2 premium pillows, you're getting exceptional value. Check the description and comments for the product link.
Number 1.
Taking the number 1 spot is this luxurious hotel-quality king-size pillow set that brings 5-star comfort home. These aren't just any pillows. They're the same high-end quality found in luxury hotels. The down alternative filling delivers all the softness and comfort of traditional down without allergens or maintenance hassles. Unlike cheaper pillows that collapse within weeks, these feature non-collapsing technology that maintains perfect loft for years. The cooling properties actively dissipate heat throughout the night, keeping you comfortable regardless of room temperature. The generous king-size dimensions provide ample surface for comfortable positioning. The 2-pack means consistent comfort on both sides of the bed. Thousands of customers report this is the last pillow they'll ever need, citing improved sleep quality, reduced neck pain, and that hotel bed feeling every night. Check the description and comments for the product link.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.